Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals series. And today we are going to be talking about tile sets, so let's get cracking. So if we come back to our room, we had that tile layer that we made earlier. Well, when you click on it, a new tab appears over here in our previous resources only bar. And this is our room editor. And it says right here, your tile set preview will appear here when you select the tile set. And we don't have any tile sets created yet, so let's make one real quick. So let's come back to our sprites. So sprite underscore tile set. Just give it a name, doesn't really matter what it is. And we can import a tile set, or we could just make one real quick. So let's edit this image real quick, and I'm just going to fill it with a blue color and then take a pen and draw some stuff around here so that you can kind of see where the different sections of it are. Let's create a tile set. So TLS underscore tile set. And these little abbreviations at the beginning here are just little affectations that I use to help make sure that I know what each resource is that I'm doing. So we can select what we want to use as our tile set over here. As you can see, the usual zoom options are available. And in our tile set, the very first tile here is reserved as a blank tile. So this tile will not be available for using in the room for creating stuff. So let's see, we can choose all of our different options of how much we want to offset our tiles and so on and so forth here. And we won't get too much into that, but just know that the options are available. And we have the ability to set up auto tiling too, but that's more advanced and we'll go over that some other time. Let's come back to our room real quick, and we can actually select that new tile set that we created. And as you can see, reserved tile, it's blank. You can't really do anything with it. But on the tile set layer, we can tile our new thing our new tile that we created. And we can even select multiple tiles if we hold control while moving around. And then you could make it bigger there. You could also make it bigger here. So that we made the entire room tiles. Then if we press delete, well, we can delete the entire tile set layer. Let's recreate that real quick. Oops, that's the background. Probably want tiles behind there. So let's go to our room. And our tile layer, set that again, bring you back down to a reasonable size, and do a little bit of a floor there. And I think that's good enough for tiles right now. Let's see, is there anything else we want? Just remember, it has the option to offset the tile layer, and of course it has a depth. But I think that's everything you need to know to get yourself started with tiles. So thank you very much for watching, everybody, and good luck with your programming.